Start na ako.
Obviously, you guys met my brother Ben. This is his longest expedition and biggest trip to date.
Tatanggalin ko na yung sira, ha?
We have Brent. He's a Canadian guy living in the States. He's a climber, and he's going to be climbing on with me. Of course, we have our guides. Furba,
Sabi ko
who
sa'yo,
is our
nagutom.
trekking guide and overall
Kumain.
amazing individual. Rich Sunil, who's one of our climbing
Nakakaroon
guides.
pagkain
He's
ito?
also going to be
Hindi.
participating in some of the
Kasi
filming.
nagbaon niyan kanina, nilutuan ko
And of course, we
pagkain.
have our team leader.
Inalam niya siguro muna kung saan.
Guestman Tamang, who has summited both Everest and
Hide ko ulit to,
Arctic
ha?
times. In this group, we're in good hands.
Ayun,
So,
hindi siya masakit. Yung
to share this experience with those guys. But let's get going because we gotta get on a trek.
May ano yan? Jelly. Ayan, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Laki. Parang umigop ng tagaw eh.
Kung pwede ka naman magtalinis ng kamay, kung naka-jet.
Wala pa din.
Pero may diretsuhan sila, ano, punta airport na ba?
Hindi kasi nagdadala kami sa sakyan.
Hindi, ngayon meron na.
Meron ako.
Wait lang.
I was just talking with Furba and he asked me if this has been his first time.
Urong.
And I said it is. And got excited. I'm like,
Parang
why are
ayaw
you
ko
excited?
magpalinis.
It's doing so good. Saying that Ben's doing so good. So yeah, we're all kind of jacked up right now.
Malalaki kasi talaga to.
Oo, sa atin hindi mo tayo magagawa. Kasi
Alam mo naman kakaiba talaga sa akin. Ano yung palaman?
Pero sumuko siya sa akin, girl. Hindi siya sa akin napalaban talaga. Sumuko siya sa akin. Ang lalaki talaga.
Malaman ni Girl. Parang, ano yan, creepy.
By the way, ladies, Benjamin,
Kaya ka bento.
he's single.
O, kasi, pwede po may
Oo, may bayad po 10 pesos. Charot lang.
Parang gusto ko ito yung extension nila eh. Kaya saka na.
Wag na muna. Short na tayo sa time.
About a week of trekking,